in this part of the build, I'll be assembling the wheels and the tires. The 1.9 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires onto the 1.9 method wheels, and also with the foam. So no bead locks, just basically using your tire and wheel glue. In this case for me, I'm going to use Gorilla Glue. Glue is glue. Main thing does the job. But first we're needing are the wheels, metal wheels 1.9, which you can find in this plastic bag right here. And then also need is our fourth BF Goodrich tires, 1.9 all terrains. Okay, so we got everything to assemble this wheels and tires. So let's go ahead and build. The next step in the build process of this Axial SCX10 2 build kit is to mount wheels and tires onto the axles. So what we'll need is 12mm aluminum hubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 pin screws, or 4 set screws, I'm sorry, M3 by 3mm. And then we need our pins, 2 by 10mm, 4 times. Oh, please don't go away. Last but not least, we need 4 M4 nylon lock nuts. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's mount these wheels onto the chassis. And one more thing is we need axle hubs